all your clients like it. And you can place them tight, like close together. And then make sure they all like quite tight and close. So less gap is better. So then that way it's creating like a chain, and we'll keep it like connect together. And at last, you know, I have a hard time to pick it, like to take my nails off actually. I mean the crystal today as well, almost like leave it here, but then I want to get some more time for crystal placement so that I can be really enjoy you ladies. So that's why I just chose to get my nails off before that. Great. And this really cool, simple. We can do this one right here. Just have a halo look. Doesn't matter. You can do just color. I know I thought I would be tired of opal, but I think I'll never, because it's so easy to go with. If you have a bright colors, you can just like tone it down. It's gonna be like that. And the same thing with the other one. See, I can see some smaller crystal right there. That's it. Put the beads on. Again, putting the beads between the crystals. It's not only make it looks really defined and it looks like you're wearing a jewelry instead of just piling all your crystal together. Okay, so if you are doing the clients, usually I do 2 nails at the same time. Because sometimes the clients will asking for a little bit more crystal placements and a lot of other fun things. I do not want that to worry about if I finish this one and this runny or it's like crooked, or the clients will accidentally touch the nails because they're so excited. And then they're gonna ruin the whole entire my work. So usually I do 2 nails and cure, and then I move on to the next 2 nails. And then the thumbs I always do the last, because we don't want to do a thumb together with all the other nails, because they might runnings like anything, like the beads will be running or the crystal will be running, because the precision of the thumb is a little bit different, it lay different. So the whole angle it might be about step in mind. If you need to adjusting it, just switch it to the okay. It's really simple and easy for all the beginners. I'm really enjoying it like this now. At first I thought I didn't like it because I'm so used to with a lot of like extras on it. So it's like, this is like kind of low-keys. Great. So if you're happy with this look, I'm gonna get a piece of paper. Fold it for me, please. Oh, thanks so much, Marisa. Thank you, love. Visit all the products you can find on the website at Glitz Accessory and such. All right, I'm gonna wipe it off on the side, and then I will cure this first for 60 seconds. If you want to adjust anything, like say if I see something missing, you can adjust it now, which is really awesome about this, because the condensed glue gels and no white top coat, it will not cure until you're like ready to set under the LED light. So then you can adjusting it whenever you needed it. Great. So I am going to cure for 60 seconds. It's really nice looking. Hold on. I think I might want something. You know what I did miss? I missed my butterflies, but it's okay. I'll do the butterflies over here. I want to share with you how I can do the butterflies. Let me add some of this here. Okay, so here what I did on the other ones, I put some butterflies, but I forgot somehow. This is so excited and got me forget about butterflies. But totally fine because we can't do something else with that. So I'm not worried about. I'm gonna put some cute crystals along with this one. If the back is upside down, to give it a little shake. All right, so I'm just cover a little bit, like incorporating the crystals, opal, white opal, green, blue, however you would like, on the sides of my flowers because I don't want to see my nails underneath. So I was thinking like, what do I want to see in it? You can't really even tell though. But let me see. Let me go down a little bit. Can you see it, Instagram? Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap around that for a little bit. I'm so excited with the crystals, and I forgot my butterflies, but it's okay. I'll get my butterflies on the next nails on the thumb so I can show you with all that fun things that we can do with butterflies and that opal crystal placement. I need just a smaller one. I couldn't see it because it's far away from me, but I can see the little one right there. How about that? Can you see my hand?
Mm-hmm.
Let me turn it this one. Oh, hey, it's not bad at all. I'm just trying to go along with the flowers. If you don't like this, you can always just leave it alone. I just want something to cover the cute nails. Not bad. I'm gonna leave it alone. And here they're all of them for 60 seconds. There you go. Not too bad. All right, 60 seconds. Hold on, something I touch, I guess. All right. I just need one more. Sorry. Because I turn it this way, I can see it better. There you go. There you go. On this view or this view. Great. 60 seconds, everyone. It's good when it's seeing on the side. And it's gonna look like similar like this. I just need to do a thumbs, and this is all my cute set. So if your clients are doing a new set and they would like to get changing like a summertime, they would like to get this time, they're gonna do like a floral, and the next time they want to do is like a different chamfer foil designs. It's great to have a clear, and then you can put the whatever colors underneath and the background. Then you can chamfer pretty much everything, every image. Like if you're doing the clears, you're gonna see the background of the clears underneath. Just right here and organize. Yes, I did this 4 colors, which is white opal and green opal, blue opal, and this collection I'm using. I can't wait because they're so new and brand new and so popular. And I'm going, it's nice and smooth now. So I am going to double check with the precision glue later. I'm gonna do this nails with the condensed glue gels.